Welcome back to ICC Lab. If you watched our first lesson, you know that professionals don't wake up looking for trades. Today we're taking the next step, because one of the fastest ways to lose money isn't having a bad strategy. It's believing you know what the market is going to do. Every losing trader has one thing in common. They predict. They predict tops. They predict bottoms. They predict reversals. They predict breakouts. The problem is, the market doesn't pay predictions. It pays traders who wait for evidence. Think about how most traders begin their day. They open their charts and immediately ask, "What do I think gold is going to do today?" That single question creates a dangerous problem. The moment you form an opinion, your brain begins searching for information that agrees with it. Every bullish candle becomes confirmation. Every pullback becomes an opportunity. Every opposing signal gets ignored. You're no longer analyzing the market. You're defending your prediction. Professional traders think differently. They don't begin with opinions. They begin with observation. They ask, what has the market actually proven? Those are two completely different mindsets. One trader is trying to be right. The other trader is trying to be objective. One trader follows opinions. The other follows evidence. At ICC LAB, we don't trade what we think. We trade what the market proves. First, we need an indication. Evidence that buyers or sellers have actually taken control. Then, we wait for the correction, a healthy pullback that tests that evidence. Finally, we demand continuation. Because continuation is where the market either confirms the story or exposes it as a lie. If that sequence never completes, there isn't a trade. It doesn't matter what we believe. The market hasn't earned our participation. Tomorrow morning, before you analyze a single chart, ask yourself one question. Am I looking for proof, or am I looking for confirmation of what I already believe? That one question can completely change the way you trade. Remember, predictions create attachment. Evidence creates conviction. And conviction built on evidence is what allows professionals to trade with confidence instead of hope. If this lesson helped change the way you think about the market, subscribe and follow ICC LAB. Every lesson is designed to help you trade gold through evidence, not emotion. And remember, indication, correction, continuation. If it's not ICC, it's not a trade.